Life sensor records light intensity as percentage. Its practical uses are it can identify the intensity of light, it can identify objects in the environment, and detect trends. Double cores are configured in terms of percentage of the movement power. Split individual sensors as 360 counts per rotation. This is the software we use for the robot, programming of the robot, is NXT software version 2.1.